how to find show go to button settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find show go to button settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then just click settings, and scroll down. Here you will find web page view and scrolling, and click on it. Here you will find it show go to button. Just you can turn it on or off just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.